Hello everyone, I'm Coco Sherelle and this is my channel Bling. In this video, I will be decorating a home decor piece that I can display in my home or my art studio. I purchased this crown about 2 years ago at my local at-home store, and today I'm going to bling it out using some extra rhinestone trim and gems that I have. So if you would like to see how I transform this crown, keep watching. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you for clicking on this video, and hopefully you like what you see and hit that like and subscribe button to be part of the Bling family. For my returning viewers and Bling family, it is always a pleasure to have you tuned in. Now y'all don't forget to hit that like button also, because you already know this is going to be another beauty. My items, or at least something similar, will be listed in the description section below. Please look there if you're interested in any supplies. Okay, so let's officially get started. I will speed up this video for the duration of the design, so please enjoy me doing what I do best. Here is a finished look. I think I achieved my goal and brought the royal to the crown. This is so beautiful. I know it would look nice in my art studio if I choose to bring it there or right here in my home. So guys, what do you think about this crown? Do you like the extra royalty bling that I put to it? Let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts. I'm gonna add some more rhinestone trim right to the inside part of the peak. Depending on where you're standing, looking, or sitting, you can see that it has no rhinestones there and it looks a bit bare. I added a small flower bouquet in the inside that I can interchange anytime to go with the decor of my home. So right here I put some pretty red roses inside. I like the fact that I can change it up with the season or holiday. I really appreciate you staying tuned this far. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see more of my bling creations and become part of the family. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.